think we're seeing the break in the storm right now. ABC 10 News meteorologist Angelica Campos is joining us with a look at what we can expect. Hi, Angelica.
Hi, Lindsay. As the ski resorts are probably very excited about all of that fresh snow. They could see well over 2 feet of snow by the time the system is all said and done. And talking about the storm, it hasn't even arrived. Just the bands ahead of it are producing some rain in some areas, certainly not here. It is dry and PV. Look at that. A lot of people taking advantage of the gorgeous conditions we have actually in San Diego. It is beautiful in downtown, 58 degrees. A little bit on the cooler side. All you need is a jacket and you're good to go. Temperatures an average 5 degrees cooler in Escondido, Poway, El Cajon near the coast, about 2 degrees cooler right now. We have 20s and 30s in the mountains. That's where it's really cold. And that is also where the snow has been falling. It was falling this afternoon. It's now getting a little bit better. So let's talk about the storm here and the anatomy of this system. You can see the core. It is right there in the Bay Area. But the bands associated with this, just kind of as they move in, I'm going to use the arrows here. You can see those bands moving in, showers developing over the water, and then just making their way in. We see a lot of activity in Los Angeles, and eventually that's going to be moving south. So we're going to see changes going into tonight. And here, even in our pinpoint Doppler live, not much in the county, but as we go just to the north, you can see some pretty heavy rain, and all that is going to be moving south. So what does the hourly forecast looks like? It looks like it'll be mostly overnight, which the timing is great. If we could just keep this going through the rest of the week, that means the days will be great and the nights will just bring heavy rain. We'll see periods of thunderstorms overnight. Hopefully you can sleep through that because it's going to be happening anytime after midnight and into the 7 o'clock hour tomorrow morning. In our Futurecast, you can see conditions staying mostly unsettled across the East County. By midnight, that begins to change. It becomes more widespread with heavy periods of rain moving through and then ongoing into early tomorrow morning. So again, the bulk of it is going to be overnight, but for morning commuters, beware. 7 a.m., it will be unsettled. We'll start to see some breaks around 9 o'clock and then becoming more of a showery scenario by the afternoon. So tomorrow afternoon, actually not too bad. In total, by Friday morning at 2 a.m., we could see another ½ an inch to over an inch of rainfall. So we're still on track to seeing close to 2 inches of rain across the county by the time this system is all said and done. On Saturday, there could be a few leftover showers very early in the morning as the system slowly moves through. But the weekend does look really nice. Temperatures will be in the low 60s this weekend, so getting closer to average with temperatures gradually warming up by the middle of next week. What will happen though is the snow levels will be dropping as the system gets closer and the cold air really begins to filter into the area. So by tonight, we'll see those snow levels down to about 4,000 feet. And then by Friday morning, we could see snow levels down to about 3,000 feet. Temperatures in our inland communities will stay in the mid to upper 50s with possible thunderstorms Thursday morning and then again Friday morning. In our mountains, mid 30s. For those of you between 3,000 and 4,000 feet, we could see 1 to 3 inches of snow, but between 4,000 and 5,000 feet, we could see accumulations close to 10 inches. Above 5,000 feet, that is where it's going to get really good. Accumulations could range between 8 inches to up to 15 inches of snow, but we know to our north, they're getting a lot more snow.
All right, thanks, Angelica.